What is the meaning of hand in your language? Eh?
Aka.
What is the meaning of head in your language?
Isi.
What is the meaning of leg in your language?
Uku.
What is the meaning of heart in your language?
Obi.
Eri. You say you don't understand which language?
Igbo, like that.
You don't understand Igbo. So which one do you understand?
I understand English and Ukwuani language.
Ukwuani. Ukwuani is Delta Igbo. Huh?
That's similar to Igbo language.
Similar. Maya. What is Ukwuani? Ukwuani is a dialect, not a language. Ukwuani is a dialect. There is difference between dialect and language. Nsukka dialect. When Nsukka woman was speaking Nsukka on the altar on Sunday, I could not understand. Ukwuani is like a kindred, part of Ukwuani local government. Right? Is it a local government? No? Pale. Local government. Ukwuani local government. Ukwuani is Igbo language, but they speak in their own dialect. So you don't say, I'm not Igbo. Huh?
Delta Igbo.
Okay, Delta Igbo.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of Delta Igbo?
Delta for inside, Igbo for inside Delta, or Delta for inside Igbo.
Osigin. Eh? You're a man, so you don't have the better knowledge you can pass to your children. Delta State is a mixed state. There is worry in Delta. Do your language and them have any similarity?
My language and...
Ichekri is in Delta, right?
Yes, sir.
Ichekri language, did they have any similarity with your language?
Ichekri, no.
Wari language, do they have any similarity with your Wetekpane?
No, sir.
Okay, another. Ijo, they have Delta Ijo? Ijo, their language, do you have any similarity with Ukwuani?
No, sir.
Why does Ukwuani have similarity with Igbo? Because Igbo speak in different tongue. Mbise people speak in their tongue. Anambra speak in their tongue. But we have what they call Igbo Isube. You people are just denying your race. But it's not your fault. It's the fault of your ancestors. That is what the Civil War caused. After the Civil War, everybody tried to deny being Igbo so that the person can be favored by federal government. What is the meaning of hand in your language? Eh?
Aka.
What is the meaning of head in your language?
Isi.
What is the meaning of leg in your language?
Uku.
What is the meaning of heart in your language?
Obi.
Eri. Why are they putting Igbo in your own Delta? Why are they not putting Igbo in Wari or Ichekri or Ijo? Delta is made up of Ichekri, Irobo. Why are they not putting Igbo in their own? All of you are one state. Delta, Irobo, Ichekri, but your language is Igbo. Why? You people should stop denying your race. Go and check about Civil War. What happened during that time? All those Delta North have 9 local governments. They are all Igbo. All their king is Obi. What is the name of your king? Obi something. All the whole king in Delta North is Obi of this. Obi of Nicha Igbo. Obi of Iseluku. Obi is not a Yoruba name. Obi is not a Hausa name. Obi is not a Chekri name. Obi is Igbo name. My own name, Obi.
Obi of Agbo, Obi of Kwale or Amai or whatever.
You see, so that is it. Do you know that the same Onitsha people that is Onitsha Igbo that fell in Delta and that is Onitsha Ado that fell in Southeast? This is just a boundary. You will see somebody from Asaba, Iseluku, Isela Asaba. Even their community name, Their community name is Igbo. Iseluku, Isala Asaba, Ogwashuku, Anam. If you ask them, Ubulu Uku, if you ask them, are you Igbo? They will tell you, oh, we are not Igbo. It is, we are from Benin. They will always say they are from Benin. They forgot that Benin is ancient empire. So many people identify, like Russia Empire. Ukraine was there. Ukraine was there. Ukraine, Finland, Poland. They were once with Russia Empire. Benin is an empire. Why are you answering Ebuka? What is your Igbo name?
Chukwuka.
Chukwuka. Have you seen any Benin that answer Chukwuka? Anybody from Benin?
No, sir.
If you are from Benin, why are you not answering Ochomole? Why are you not answering Obaseke? These are Benin name. You people should stop deceiving yourself. Embrace your identity and be happy.
I'm very happy about it. I used to tell people I'm from Delta Igbo.
The way you are from Delta Igbo, I'm from Imo State Igbo. Nothing like I'm from. Tell them I am Igbo. It is when they begin to ask you and I say, okay, I am Igbo Delta. We are Igbos in Delta State. Period. Are you corrected now?
I agree never to disagree.
When someone today says, I am from Delta, not Igbo. I am Ikwere, not Igbo. I am from Rivers, not Igbo. I am from Kogi, not Igbo. I am from Bayelsa, not Igbo. I am from Kalabari, not Igbo. It only means one thing. What they often mean is, I am not from the Southeast. But that's politics, not identity. Southeast is not the beginning and end of Igbo identity. And not many people know this. When Nigeria was drawn into states, culture wasn't the main concern. What was the main concern was control. The boundaries that split the East from the West didn't follow language or heritage. They followed power and control. That's how Anioma ended up in Delta State. Ikwere, Eche, Oba ended up in Rivers State. Ibaji in Kogi State. Ibanke in Edo State. But before these borders existed, our grandparents traded, married, and celebrated cultural festivals together. They spoke the same tongue. They shared names, foods, gods. They say, Kaije, let's go. And everyone understands. They say, Afambo, my name is, and everyone understands. Some say, Rehwambo, and everyone understands. But why do some deny being Igbo? Simple, because of stigma. Because politics taught them to fear what they are. Before, during, and after the Civil War, being Igbo and the word Igbo became political and even dangerous. Many communities outside the Southeast distanced themselves for safety and survival. That's understandable. But generations later, we have healed enough to tell ourselves the truth once again. Being Igbo is not a crime. It's a culture of resilience, creativity, and pride. It's a culture of antiquity. It's a culture that one should never in the first place deny being a part of. From Newi's industry to Anioma's elegance, from Enugu's intellect to Ikwere's energy, the same bloodline of innovation and resilience runs through the Igbo people. You don't lose anything by accepting your identity. You reclaim everything you have been told to forget. This has been Ukwuani Cultural Forum, and I'm your host, Onwode Ngozi Chukwuka Fortune. Thank you for listening. Until next time, remember, home is not always where power sits, but where history breathes. If you enjoyed watching this beautiful video, do what to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Please look through our channel as well, you will find many other interesting videos to watch. Until we come your way next time. Bye.
Anioma.